Good morning. So we saw Nifty continuing its upward run up, where yesterday it closed significantly at a higher level of 6146. So that was almost 2.5% up. And if you remember in my Tuesday's video, I had mentioned that just avoid the Monday's correction of 350 points because it was just a mild profit booking and market is bound to go up and it will continue its upward momentum because of global liquidity. And it proved to be correct in yesterday's trading session. And going forward, my understanding is that we'll be slowly and steadily inching towards our new high as how the global markets are doing. So that's all about the yesterday's trading session. To talk about the US market, US market yesterday closed almost 0.5% up. So all the three indices were almost 0.5% up. Uh, Basically, it's again the central bank stimulus things which is doing wonders in US market. Though the economy is not is recovering as what the market is actually saying so, but hopefully US will do much better than Europe. To talk about now Japan market, to today's Japan market was slightly down. It was almost 0.4% down. Even though the data, GDP first quarter data for Japan was 3.5%, which was above market expectation. Still, because of some minor profit booking, the market is was down by minus 0.4%. Hang Seng was up by 0.5%. So we can say that the Asia is currently trading in some mixed zone. But overall, the Nikkei is will continue its upward run up in near future because the export will start doing good for export industry. There will start doing good because yen is almost reaching towards 102 or 104 mark, and they are expecting in 2 years time that it will touch 120 against the dollar. So that was about the Asian market. To talk about domestic market, we have few things lined up. To give some stock specific news, the NTPC have decided to get out of this hydropower projects or ventures whatever and just concentrate on their thermal power business, and whatever things they are already involved in, they would merge all those projects into its existing business. Second, Suzuki has approved. The board has approved the proposal to for the manufacturing plant to go for the manufacturing plant in Gujarat for light commercial vehicle. So that's another news. Another major news from the RBI side was that they are planning to come out with an inflation index bond benchmark against WPI in this current year itself. So it will be some kind of relief to poor and middle class families in India, which are actually suffering from negative yield, which means that if your inflation is at 10% and your FD rates are somewhere around 8% or maybe G6 rates are 8%, you are actually taking minus 2% hit. So that was from some major macroeconomic things from the domestic side. Today we have some major company result lined up. So Q4 results for Reliance Capital, Bajaj Capital, TTK, Prestige. So these are the few companies results are expected today, and we will be also watching how they fare. So that's all for today. We hope that we are expecting the market to move sideways in today's trading session because of yesterday of almost 2.5% run up. Maybe we'll be trading flat today. Maybe we can see another though uh, 10-20 points here and there volatility will be there in the market, but we don't see a major run up again in today's session. So that's all for today. we'll update you about tomorrow's session in tomorrow's video. Thank you.